We hustle daily. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. We about to pick up this monster. My boy got the monster. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell now. Make sure you hit it right now. Make sure you cop your merch. Hustle Nation, make sure you cop your merch. If you haven't already, wehustledaily.com. Make sure you cop your merch. And if you want to learn how to check out cars, man, you want to learn how to do what me and my partner doing, you know what I'm saying, buying and selling these cars, picking good cars, make sure you go to whdacademy.com. My boy just got this Mazda here. Let's see, we about to go look at this Mazda real quick. How much you pay for the Mazda? What's that? So let's just say $1,000. That's how much he paid for the Mazda. Let's check him out. Let's see what he got. Hustle Nation. All right, you already know we grinding in the rain. Hustle Nation, check them out. Looks like they got some type of little thing right here holding the bumper on. I know that's kind of like a style some people be doing. Let's see what we got right here. My boy be liking them weird cars, man. My boy picked this monster up, but it's clean though. Hold on now. Prestige 5, is the 5 like the big body or something, or is just, I mean, not the big body, the fast one, or no? Crank right up. You already check your fluids and all that? Yeah. Alright. Let's check them out on the inside, man. Oh, it ain't that well. It's a little dirty. My boy be liking to buy them dirty cars sometime, y'all. I don't be liking to buy them dirty cars, but you know what I'm saying? I need to clean it up. Got 273 on the miles. What y'all think? A stack? Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. $1,000. Let's see if we can open this boy up. What year is this? 03, y'all. What y'all think? 2003. He got the sunroof on this thing and everything. Check him out. You know what I'm saying? I think he already checked the fluids and everything, but you get the license plate out the on the back. Oh, that car's still on, I thought. Okay. Motor don't look bad. $1,000, what y'all think? I'm not really like a huge Mazda fan, y'all, you know? But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. It sounds like that AC on. Yeah, probably. Some type of fan on. But what y'all think? What type of motor is in here, y'all? 2.0. So it's a 2.0 motor. Look like they got some type of little bar, that little red bar. They probably added that. I'm not sure. They got the K&N little sticker right there. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the Mazda Prestige. I'm not really, like I say, a big, huge Mazda fan, Hustle Nation, but it looks all right though, you know? You gonna see how this boy driving for sure. What, how I drive? It drive all right? Yeah, he said it drive all right. It's like a hatch, huh? Yeah. Is it a hatch? Yeah, it's like a hatch. Y'all see it, Hustle Nation. Well, let me know what y'all think. $1,000 for this bad boy. 273,000 miles. This boy is running. I think he said 1,038, like out the door. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments. He got this bad boy from IAA, Hustle Nation. So we about to get on the road and we gonna see what we got, man. Hustle Nation, they forgot to put the mayo on my sandwich, man. They forgot to put the mayo on my sandwich. We went to Popeyes, they forgot to put the mayo on your boy's sandwich. I'm watching him, I'm like, damn, he got the sandwich, he eating a sandwich and shit. I'm like, damn. I know it's busted. I asked them for a spicy chicken sandwich, no pickle. They gave me just the sandwich with not the mayo on it. Like, come on, y'all. They go get him the one with the mayo on it. I picked the wrong sandwich, man. Oh, this is all good, though, man. It's all good, Hustle Nation. Gonna let him eat real quick. Then we gonna hop on the road. Make sure y'all cop y'all merch now. Y'all make sure y'all do that. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Y'all make sure y'all cop y'all merch. Y'all, if y'all a part of the Hustle Nation, y'all know y'all got y'all merch already. You know what I'm saying? But we out here in the rain, man. You know the grind don't stop. Does not stop. We got a long way home, man. When you on the road, going to these different auctions, man, you gotta, man, it's time consuming. Let's just say that, you know, unless you got a truck and a trailer. You know, I know a lot of y'all be saying something about the truck and the trailer, but I ain't never been a truck and a trailer type dude. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been doing this for a long time, and yeah, me and my boy was just talking about it too. Yeah, it'll cut some of the time out, but I just ain't with that truck and the trailer. We gonna see though. You know what I'm saying? I just like to drive my cars, get a feel for my cars. You know what I'm saying? That's just me personally, you know. But we gonna see how it go, man. But we do got a long way to the crib, Hustle Nation. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Like I said, y'all want to learn how to do this, man, make sure y'all go to whdacademy.com. Cop your merch at wehustledaily.com. You already know. So I guess I'll see y'all when we get on the road. Right now, we just chilling like a villain right now, ain't we? I let my boy eat. I had already ate my sandwich in the car. I don't know why Popeyes had to do your boy like that, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man.
Oh, man. What's it like right now?
What, that sandwich?
Yeah.
I know.
I want another one now.
Shit, I want another one, too. They was arguing and everything in the Popeyes, y'all. Dude. Yeah, they funny, man. Dude, they was crazy, man. I'm fast food. Oh, shit. How I do it?
Lights on the side, bro.
On the front. There you go. Yeah, we gotta hop in this thing, Hustle Nation, man. I ain't on my glasses and everything, y'all. Y'all see that Hustle Nation shirt. Make sure y'all cop y'all merch and stop playing. Make sure y'all cop y'all merch at wehustledaily.com, man.
You know, I'm up fresh, dog.
Yeah, see? I told you. You already know. But alright, Hustle Nation, man. We gon' I'll catch y'all when we get on the road. Alright. Just started that thing up. Oh man, we got the window kind of messed up on here. I don't even let down or nothing. Yeah, it's gonna be alright though. We gonna be alright, Hustle Nation, man. But we gonna go ahead and get on this road right here. Let's go on and put our seatbelt on, y'all. Hold on. Alright. Alright, we about to get on the road, y'all. Let's see what we got, man. We're gonna see if we can make it all the way back to the crib, man. We a long way from the house, y'all. Let me turn these wipers on real quick. Let this down real quick for your boy. And we good to go. So yeah, man, Hustle Nation, what y'all think about the Mazda Prestige? I'm not really a big Mazda fan. I told y'all, man, my boy be buying some weird cars sometimes. You know, I just don't mess with the Mazda, y'all. I'm not saying I wouldn't buy one. I'm just saying, like, I don't usually mess with them. Ooh, there we go. You trying to leave me, ain't you? Boy, you trying to leave me. Yeah, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Here come traffic. We gotta go. Alright. But yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that. Make sure you cop your merch, you know. But we about to go to QT, and I think you gotta put some air in this tire real quick, so I'll catch y'all when we get to QT. Alright, at the gas station. What's going on? Pop the trunk. The trunk. Man. Rainy day out here. Hustle Nation. What you got going on? What you need to put some air in this?
We check it. Make sure, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's see what we got.
That's alright, man. Something north, bro.
Yeah, probably some type of suspension issue or something. Don't worry, I'm gonna be driving slow. You putting some gas in this?
Yeah, I gotta put gas in there.
Alright, gas tank on this side, on the other one. I thought you said it was good.
Let's top it off.
Oh damn, they got the free air out here.
It's a little bit low, but it ain't low enough to be doing all that.
What year you said this Mazda was again?
It's 97.
This Mazda 97?
Oh no, that's the 03.
Oh, 03, 03. Yeah, I had just forgot what he said it was. Yeah, Hustle Nation, man. We at the gas station. About to get some gas in this thing, man. It's raining out here. You already know. Hustle don't stop. What y'all gas looking like? Where y'all at? We at 214 right here. I don't really mess with the QT like that. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't really like QT. But, man, we about to gas up. Alright. Alright, Hustle Nation, about to gas up. Let me go ahead and get to this pump real quick. I think I'm gonna go right there, maybe. You know, I'll probably go over there. Oh, you gotta close the hood, don't you? I mean, I'm ready to go. Yeah, man. Huh? Alright. Alright, Hustle Nation. Back this thing up real quick, y'all. Man, these some foggy windows, I'll tell you that much, bro. I can't even see nothing. For real. Can't see it. Goddamn thing. Alright, man. But yeah, y'all see it, man. This is what it calls for, you know? Damn, what side I said the tank was on? The right. Yep. But alright, gonna gas up, man. He said that boy ride good too, y'all. So y'all let me know what y'all think. $1,000 pay too much or no? Let me know. I'm about to go ahead and get me a snack. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see it. We on the road. This type of stuff you gotta deal with. You need to jump. You need to jump. You need to jump, man. Gotta get the jump, man. Yeah, I told you it was on this side. Let me put this thing on real quick. Ooh. Gotta use our head to do it. Alright, we're gonna set that like that. Long enough, I gotta move.
We're gonna make it work.
Alright. I might be able to reach in there and get you real quick. There we go. Type of stuff you gotta deal with, Hustle Nation. Now we about to get on the road, man. Now we can go and get on the road. Let me put this down. Huh?
About 2 hours. Big traffic is
2 hours. Y'all see it, y'all hear it. We got 2 hours to get to the crib, man.
Traffic must be really bad.
Traffic?
Yeah. I think that would be good.
Alright. That boy running though.
Yeah.
Seems like a good car. It's green. You don't know.
I don't know, man.
You don't know.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
They passed the missions already?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I think
Okay. Alright, oh yeah, battery just died, so, you know what I'm saying? But let's go on and get on the road, man. You know what I'm saying? We gone. Finally. He said we got about 2 hours to get to the crib, Hustle Nation. So, man, we gonna be rolling like mother. It's gonna be a minute. It's gonna be a minute, Hustle Nation. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. Shouts out to the whole Hustle Nation. If you're part of the Hustle Nation, you gotta have your Hustle Nation gear. You know? Gotta have your gear, Hustle Nation. But alright, y'all, man, we about to get on this road. He say 2 hours, man. That's a long time. But like I say, this is what you gotta deal with when you buying and selling these cars, man. You know? Hold on.
Good, bro?
Yeah.
You gotta go that way.
Oh, we do? Oh, okay.
You go to my house.
Alright. Alright. I thought you could go this way. Come on. Go ahead. No, shit. Everybody cut me. Alright, y'all. Let's get on this road. Yeah. Alright, Hustle Nation, we finally made it back, man. Long day. Long day. Took 2 hours to get back, man. probably not gonna be going to that one no more, y'all. But he made it back, man. 2 hours. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation. It's gonna be a wrap for today's video. It's your boy Big Play Ray. Make sure you cop your merch. wehustledaily.com. Want to learn how to check out cars? whdacademy.com. It's raining outside. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for your boy if you haven't already. Join the Hustle Nation. It's your boy Ray. I'm gone. Peace.